What's up, guys? Welcome back to Transcending Waves Crypto, bringing you another market update for the day. So, following up here with Bitcoin on the daily, this is the move that we've been waiting for. So far, it's in motion. Now we're just looking to see this follow through, but you can see that Bitcoin is finally above this trend line that's been governing the top of this range that Bitcoin has been in for the past three months since the end of February. Bitcoin finally closed yesterday above this trend line, and so far today it looks like Bitcoin is kind of breaking out from this trend line, and it's definitely looking promising at the moment that this breakout is going to be in motion now. And we've been following this for so long, and things are finally looking like it's getting to the point where Bitcoin is wanting to take that next leg up in this macro bull cycle. And because we went from the bottom of this range to the top of the range, this all started from identifying bullish divergence here on this low on the MACD. With this fake breakdown, there was bullish divergence since price made a lower low to this point, and the MACD made a higher low to that point. So it all started there when we were looking for a trend reversal to form with a higher low on the daily. So it made a higher low on this horizontal that's been representing the bottom of the range, and it formed a higher low on that horizontal, broke out, and then once it took out this high, that confirmed this as a higher low on the daily. So then that's why it marked the bottom of this zone. The top here was the prior daily and weekly high. That's why that was the top of the zone. So Bitcoin went from the bottom to the top of the range, and then it was went to retest the prior resistance and confirm it as support, while at that time letting the lower oscillators reset, the lower time frame oscillators. But it even went up to the daily as well. Daily went all the way to resetting at just around the top of the oversold territory, and so that was just another great dollar cost averaging opportunity. Now the RSI is back above the EMA. EMA is at 70,176, and that was just a great dip. That was a great opportunity. This indicator, the jewel down here, is also in a bullish posturing with the green. It's green and looking to be like bouncing off of this into the bullish control zone, while the faster EMA is looking to curve up as well from being in the oversold. So yeah, Bitcoin overall is looking really promising right now for the breakout to continue. And this is something that we've been monitoring for a long time now, and it's been playing out to a T. And like if you were to just look here at like something like a 4-hour, it got above this trend line. In this current candle here, it came down and retested exactly at that trend line and is now having a really good follow through. So that's definitely something I like to see, back testing this trend line as support now after closing yesterday's daily above it and then confirming it. Bitcoin is also above the top daily Bollinger Band, which implies that a trending move is about to get underway. We're also looking at this on the 2-day chart, especially the 2-day RSI, how it was looking. RSI bouncing off the EMA as they're both entering the bullish control zone. And we were just going over the last times that happened for Bitcoin as well. and they pretty much just all led to significant moves, like 650 to like 80% type moves. So yeah, the 2-day RSI is looking great. And then, I mean, Bitcoin here on the monthly is about to take out last month's high at 71,939. So what I want to do now is I want to mark off the next zone to break, and so I would draw it about here where the last daily high, where that last high was, and then I'll also go from over here for this high, the current all-time high, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make that a zone. To represent the next key level to break. So right now, this is, just like how it played out down here. Now this is the next resistance to break. So we want to see Bitcoin get above this and have a, convincing breakout, or maybe breakout. And then obviously it's normal to retest it as support. But the thing is, we just want to break out from this zone now, clear it, maybe confirm it as support, and then proceed with this macro bull cycle uptrend. So yeah, I'd say just things are looking really good right now at the moment. And then let's follow up on total 3, since we're looking at that in our last video. Alt season incoming, after breaking out this trend line, after the reaccumulation here, back testing the trend line and the EMAs. Now we're looking to see total 3 follow through as well. Total 3 being the index for the altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So yeah, with this breaking out, pretty much means whatever your favorite altcoin is probably going to be breaking out now too. And there's a lot more upside to go for that, I imagine, in this bull cycle. Not financial advice, but total 3 looks like it's breaking out now as well. And then we can just end off here on Ethereum, see how Ethereum is looking. Bitcoin is kind of leading the show at the moment, as per usual. Bitcoin leads the breakouts, Ethereum and the alts follow. But you can see Ethereum has been holding above this prior weekly high, and looks like this week back tested it pretty much perfectly. So it's just been closing every single day above it, riding the 9 exponential moving average. And now we're just looking to see ETH follow through next. And yeah, the monthly chart looks great as well. It's right at the top of the monthly Bollinger Band. So where else is there to go besides new all-time highs? Since Bitcoin is leading the way for everything, Bitcoin leads the show, and it's already at the point where it's making all-time highs. So yeah, I'd say just things are looking really good at the moment, and this is why we're dollar cost averaging and paying attention to the market when everything was just going boring and sideways and there was fear in the market, because we know that whenever things get like that, those usually present the best opportunities. So, and now things are definitely paying off nice. So yeah, things are definitely looking great, and we'll follow up in the next video and we'll see where Bitcoin heads to next. But for now, Breakout is looking real after breaking through this trend line. Now we just got to clear through the prior all-time high, clear through this resistance zone, and kind of just go from there. But we'll definitely follow up in the next video and see how things are looking. But I really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Go ahead, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know where you think Bitcoin is headed this bull cycle, and what are some of your favorite altcoins as well. Would definitely love to know. So yeah, we'll go ahead and leave it there, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So thanks again, and have a good one.